Hello, my name is Michael and I am a founder of ZeroDB. I'm going to show you a demo. So I'm running a ZeroDB end-to-end encrypted database on AWS. Here it is. And I have pre-populated this database with some data. So this data are following this employee model, which has name, surname, description, and salary. And that's how you define your data models, which are similar to to tables in SQL. And that's what I populated this database with. It is random names, surnames, random salaries, random description, and this extra field which is not indexed, and it's also random. Alright, so let's query that data. I will do that from Python terminal. And I'll import ZeroDB. I need to import AES cipher. I will use AES encryption for today's demo. And I will want to do some queries, and I will need to use my employee model. Okay, so this is the passphrase we use to encrypt the data. The data could be encrypted with a random key as well. And this is the socket we are connecting to. So let's connect to the database. Here we go, we are connected, and you can see that the server received a handshake. Now, how many employees do we have in the database? That's easy to figure out. Just like that. We have 10,001 employees. Okay, let's do some actual queries. So how many let's select 10 employees with the name John from the database. John's equals this, so we'll limit them to 10. And indeed we've got 10 Johns, and they are indeed all Johns. And how many Johns do we have in total over there? Let's find out. And we have 167 Johns. Alright, but let's find out what if we can do some more conditions. So here in this query we select Johns who earn from $195,000 to $200,000, and the query is complete, and we've got 5 of such Johns, and yep, their salary is in this range. All right. And what about full text search, which will supposedly work for description? Let's find out. So I've added one person with non-random data in description. Let's find that person in the query. So we are looking for someone whose description contains President of United States, and we've got one president who is Barack Obama, and we can find out what his salary is, or name, or description. And we found him by description. Alright, so we can now disconnect from the database Now our question is, what happens if we connect to the database with the wrong passphrase? Like this. Okay, let's do that. And no, this key is wrong and we cannot connect to that. Alright, but what if I'm an attacker who infiltrated AWS and who tried to figure out what the data are? Okay, let's look what do we have. So here are the data from the database. As you can see, looks quite like random garbage, and it's basically AES encrypted data, and you actually cannot really figure out what is over there. That's it for today. Thanks for your attention.